Finally maze.
Hiyo safari sijui itakuaje but
Tuombe tu God, tuombe.
Most important thing is to get there and to get there before the heats, I hope. But if I don't get there before the heats, the federation is talking to the World Athletics, so we hope they'll find something to, solve this. But either way, wacha tufike huko kwanza. I can say, let's say it's just how the system works, because I'm not the only one who has had visa issues before. So let's just say it's a process you get. So, but at least nimepata, so positivity all the way. I'm an athlete who has gone through a lot, so this is not an exception. I'm mentally strong, so I'm ready for the race. So long as tufike kwa start line, everything else will be forgotten and then we'll just pick it up after the finish line.